Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 best flowers that bloom in summer season for your home garden. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Summer is a time when your yard supplies a riot of shade as well as appearance, and also attracting attractive butterflies and also hummingbirds. With the warm sun comes a range of flowers in hot colors like flaming magenta, gold yellow, and purple. If you recognize you're functioning with at least 6 hours of sun a day, you'll want to attempt the best annual flowers from your regional garden. Well, here are the 10 best flowers that bloom in summer season for your home garden. Number 1. Allium. Known as onion blossom, these strong-stemmed perennials cuddly have a truly pleasant fragrance, just the bulbs might advise you of their garlic and onion relatives. These dense spheres of color are typically purple, or white as well as are best fit for the back of your garden, as they're fairly high. They additionally make superb, modern-day looking arrangements. Number 2. Begonia. Calling all dubious individuals. This is an excellent option for your yard if you don't get a lot of sunlight yet desire a lot of shade. These waxy-leafed plants mound really well and are wonderful in borders or mixed in your containers. They're quite reduced upkeep too, because you do not need to deadhead invested blooms to keep them displaying all summer season. Number 3. Black-eyed Susans. What did Susan do to be entitled to such a name? Likewise known as Rudbeckia, these flowers range in shade from intense yellow to deep orange with variations in between. These perennials grow approximately 4 feet vast on hardy stems, as well as they're excellent for blended setups. Number 4. Bougainvillea. If you're fortunate enough to live in a warm climate where these flowers are perennial, have a Mai Tai for us. Hardy in areas 9B and 10, the rest of us will certainly need to wait until our garden centers have these hot magenta and purpley pink flowers in stock to add surprising shade to our container gardens. This papery flower loves to climb up, so place it near a fencing or trellis. It likewise looks terrific spilling out of a large container. Number 5. Clematis. These queens of flowering vines like at least 6 HRS of sun, although you can locate ranges that are adjusted to even more shade. These perennials enjoy to go up an arbor or trellis, or perhaps cover a fence or column with proper assistance. To advertise reflowering, you can cut the vine back by 50% for an additional late-season growing. Number 6. Coleus. Okay, this is cheating a bit. While Coleus do technically bloom, the foliage of this annual is available in a lot of color mixes. It might to be taken into consideration a full-time flower. They're readily available in a mix of sunlight and also shade-tolerant selections, making them a favorite of ours. Number 7. Coneflower. Additionally called echinacea, this and butterfly-loving plant provides a carefree want to your garden beds. They're a good one to maintain about for surefire pollination of your other favorite flowers, or merely to attract quite butterflies. Number 8. Coreopsis. Coreopsis are among the least picky flowers to put in your bed. Participants of the daisy family, as you most likely observed from the flowers, these bushy plants create masses of flowers for a lengthy season. Coax constant bloomage by deadheading old stems consistently. You can locate these plants in tones of yellow as well as pink, yet yard centers might have more recent varieties in white, salmon, and burgundy. Number 9. Dahlia. One of the leading flowers of summertime, dahlias have one of the most significant variety array in dimension, and also shade of virtually any other blossom. Their strong stems make them superb in setups, and also a showstopper planted en masse. Number 10. Daisies. This friendliest flower is a carefree showstopper in your yard. The white marguerite daisy, or more typical Shasta daisy, has pure white blossoms that can be found in full speed ahead with summer season's warmth. Plants can be reduced after blooming to encourage new growth, and also even more blooms. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.